The last quarter was a special one for us at Zerodha, as we completed 14 years. To mark this milestone, we hosted an Ask Me Anything session with our core team, which you can watch here. Over the past few months, we've been working hard to introduce new features and enhance existing ones to simplify your trading and investing experience. To make sure you don't miss out, we've compiled all the updates for you in this video. All the relevant links will be in the description. Here are some important regulatory changes that occurred in the previous quarter. First, SEBI's new Basic Services Demat Account or BSDA structure, which significantly reduces the account maintenance charge or AMC for BSDA account holders, came into effect on September 1, 2024. Second, starting October 1, 2024, SEBI's True to Label circular has taken effect, resulting in reduced exchange transaction charges for trading across all segments. Third, in the recent budget, the Finance Minister announced an increase in the Securities Transaction Tax or STT for the F&O segment. The STT on futures was revised from 0.0125% to 0.02%, and for options, it was increased from 0.0625% to 0.1%. The new STT regime has also come into effect from October 1, 2024. Here's a look at what we have been up to in the previous quarter. When we started Zerodha, we consciously decided to charge an account opening fee as there was no Aadhaar or e-sign until 2016-17. Account opening was completely offline, which meant that there was a cost involved. So we had to charge an account opening fee to cover the cost. However, things have changed over the years with fully digital onboarding and multiple other things, and we had to change our stance. Starting June 29, 2024, account opening is now completely free for all resident individuals. The alerts feature on Kite allows you to easily create alerts based on various parameters and notifies you once those conditions are met. However, there can be instances where the alert is triggered, but you missed the notification or were not able to take action in time. To help with this, we have introduced the Alert Triggers Order or ATO feature on Kite. With ATO, you can simply link multiple orders to an alert, which will be placed on the exchange once the alert is triggered. This saves you time and ensures you don't miss out on any opportunities. Privacy mode on Kite hides sensitive financial information on the dashboard, holdings, positions, and funds page. This feature ensures that financial details remain confidential while using Kite in public or during a screen sharing session. We have simplified the order window on the Kite app to make it easier for you to place orders. The new order window reduces the information overload and shows you only the key information needed to place the order. For buying stocks, you can now enter the number of shares or the amount you want to invest. In the F&O segment, you can now switch between the quantity and lots. We have also redesigned the stop-loss order placement with easy trigger and limit price placement to ensure they are simple to place. Most of the exchange-traded funds or ETFs listed on the exchange have tricky names which make searching for them quite hard. We have enhanced the Market Watch search on Kite for easy discovery of ETFs. We have simplified the login process on Kite. You can now log into your account using your registered mobile number if you've forgotten your user ID. This eliminates the need to remember your user ID, and you can log in using just your mobile number, password, and two-factor authentication. You can now easily track events such as dividends, stock splits, bonus, and rights issues directly on ChartIQ and TradingView charts on Kite. This feature allows you to keep track of all corporate actions announced by companies and understand their impact on price movements, enabling you to make more informed trading and investment decisions. During the normal course of business, companies introduce various proposals and resolutions that can have a material impact on the company. As a shareholder of the company, you are entitled to vote on all these important proposals. However, very few retail investors vote. So to encourage more retail investors to vote, we've made the voting process much simpler. You can now vote on the resolution of the companies you have invested in directly from Kite. You can now track the delivery volume percentage in Kite's fundamental widget powered by Tijori. Delivery volume refers to the number of shares not only traded during the day, but also settled by transferring ownership at the end of the trading session. This provides insight into investor confidence, liquidity, and other factors related to that stock. We have updated the Technicals widget on Kite to provide you with key market information in one place. Powered by Streak, the Technicals widget now gives you a quick technical summary of stocks, futures, and option contracts, along with access to the market heat map, top gainers and losers, scanners, and strategies. We have simplified the options menu on the positions page. The options button has been repositioned to the right side and now gives quicker access to the most frequently used options. Pledged cash equivalent securities such as liquid ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, government bonds, etc. can now be sold instantly without unpledging them. Here are some cool updates on Coin. To give you more flexibility and control over your SIP orders, we have added an option to select specific day while placing weekly SIP orders on Coin. We have reintroduced the conditional orders feature on Coin. With conditional orders, you can set buy and sell orders to execute only when the NAV hits a predefined threshold. Conditional orders are valid for 1 year and will be automatically deleted if the condition is not met within that time. You can now enable UPI autopay to automate payments for your SIPs on Coin. All these features are currently available only on CoinWeb and will soon be available on the Coin app as well. Here are some updates on our education initiatives. The first thing for anyone stepping into the world of finance is to get their personal finances in order. The Personal Finance playlist on Varsity YouTube channel covers all the aspects of doing your finances right. We have now made this playlist available in the Indian Sign Language as well to make it accessible to everyone. You can check the playlist here. We hosted the first Varsity Community Meetup in Visakhapatnam on 21st September. We will be doing more of such in-person events around savings, investments, markets, and more going forward. Markets by Zerodha channel covers all the latest developments in the world of business and finance. The Daily Brief podcast, which distills the top 3 to 5 stories on a given day, has quickly become one of the top podcasts on Spotify and Apple Podcast. You can watch it on YouTube or listen to it on Spotify or Apple Podcast. If you prefer to read, we also send out a daily newsletter. Click on the link in the description to register for our daily newsletter. We have also launched a Hindi channel for Markets by Zerodha, which you can check out here. We continue to publish a lot of insightful videos for young Indians on investing, personal finance, careers, and much more. 01 is now also available in Hindi, which you can check out here. Our loan book has been scaling up steadily since we started full-fledged operations last year, and it sits at around 300 crores. We are also adding more mutual funds to the approved list of securities so that you can avail a loan. You can select from across 1100 securities. Through Rainmatter Investments, we continue to support and partner with driven founders and builders in the wealth, investing, health, sustainability, and storytelling space. Check out all of our recent investments on the Rainmatter blog by visiting the link in the description. If you have any queries or feedback for us, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.